Let us take an example to understand this line diagram and bar chart. One more example. Here you have 4 years data ranging from 2005, 6, 7, 8, and you have the production details in wheat and rice. I mean, you have the production details of wheat and rice in metric tons for 4 years. So wheat in 2005 is 12, 15, 18, 19, and rice is 25, 30, 32, and 36. Now let us draw a line diagram, but here it's not going to be a single line diagram because you are having two series of data. That is, you have the data of wheat and you have the data of rice. So you have to draw a line diagram which will capture both the information. Let's see how to draw that. We'll make use of PowerPoint presentation itself to draw this line diagram. So let me insert a chart. I'll give here insert a chart, and PowerPoint has provision for this line diagram, so we'll select this here, line diagram. Okay, so now you have got one default line diagram, and your category and series is something different. So what is your category? Our category is basically year. It is 2005. So see, once this chart comes, it comes along with the Excel file wherein you can feed the data which is required. So your category is now basically this horizontal line, which is nothing but our data. The data what we have is 2005, 6, 7, 8. So we'll key them here, 2005, 2006, so that it will, if you key in here in Excel, it will get changed automatically in PowerPoint, and 2007 and 2008. So you have keyed in the 4 years information, that is, you have captured the time series information, so that is also reflecting in your chart now. Then here you have 3 columns: series 1, series 2, series 3. They are basically your products. Like see here in this question you have 2 products, basically wheat and rice, and that's what we have to capture in the series information. So what we'll do, we'll make it here, series 1 is rice, so we'll call series 1 as rice, and we'll call series 2 as wheat. We don't have any third product, so what we'll do, we'll delete this series 3. We'll delete series 3. It would give some error message. We'll delete it. So now you have only 2 products, that is rice and wheat. Now what we'll do is we'll key in the data. You have the information for 2005, 6, 7, 8 of wheat, which is 12, 15, 18, 19. So we'll do that here. It is wheat is 12, 15. So we keep getting this message, no issue. 12, 15, we have 18 and 19. So in this way we have captured the information related to wheat. Now let us also capture the information related to rice. So now you can see we have also captured the information related to rice, which is 25, 30, 32, 36. Now you see the beauty. The line chart is drawn here already. So this chart says you have information for the 4 years, and here you have this vertical axis which is going to talk about production in metric tons. So here you have to see whether it is available on the LHS. I mean, on the left hand side you don't see the write up part of it. I mean, you don't see the caption. So you can give the caption. So I'll click this. So you can select the model. So yeah, now this table comes with caption. I mean, something which is going to define your vertical axis. So here you can select and give production in metric tons. Production in metric tons. And have we given the chart title? No, let us give the chart title also. We'll say production of wheat and rice in a region. Let's say some XYZ region. So now we have production information of a region called XYZ, the production in metric tons over the period 2005 to 8, and if you see the rise have been going steadily increasing from 2005 to 8, and wheat also is increasing parallelly. But what you can understand is rice production is at 25 metric tons and it has crossed 35 metric tons, whereas the wheat production, which is this brown color, is somewhere like 10 or 12 metric tons, and it has gone up to 19 metric tons. So whatever you have or you had as table is now available in the form of a diagram. This is the line diagram. In the next video, we'll see how to construct a bar diagram using PowerPoint.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.